चंचलरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये चीज नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा
खत्म हो गया क्या?
Grants of our beloved teachers who have shaped our minds, nurtured our spirits, and guided us to where we are today.
I, Erika Channa, along with my co-host Nishka Gupta from BBA, are thrilled to be your host for today's celebration. On behalf of Mindbenders and Lakshay, we extend a warm welcome to you all on this special day that holds immense significance in our lives.
Indeed, it's a day of joy. To begin this special event, we would like to extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed Vice Chairman Sir Shri Anirudh Jindal ji, Dean Ma'am Ms. Pati Jindal, Director Sir Professor Dr. Vikas Nath ji, and all the beloved faculty members and staff. We welcome you all to today's Teachers' Day celebration. Thank you everyone for gracing this occasion with your presence.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is a day of immense significance. A day where we pause to honor the incredible individual that you are. You have dedicated your lives to shape ours. Teachers' Day is a moment to reflect on the invaluable roles you all play in guiding us, not just through textbooks, but through life itself.
So let's celebrate this day with full hearts, acknowledging the profound impact you have on each one of us. To all the teachers here today, we say thank you for your wisdom, your dedication, and your unwavering belief in us.
To begin with, we would now like to invite Director Sir, Professor Dr. Vikas Nath, to give a green welcome to Vice Chairman Sir and share a few words of wisdom and encouragement with us.
इनकी तरफ से सबका मैं स्वागत करता हूँ और आपको मैं ग्रीन वेलकम देता हूँ यहाँ पे। आप थोड़ा सा
Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Dean Madam, first of all, a very thank you for this green welcome to me and my colleagues and the staff members present here. We are obliged. Today on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, we gather here to celebrate and honor the incredible contribution which all of you make every day. You play a pivotal role in shaping our futures, in shaping the future of the students as well as our own future. because we as teachers are also students and we are also researchers. So every day we are not only making the future of the others, so-called our students and pupil, but we are also taking care of our knowledge, our wisdom and our training. When I speak the word teacher, like on the Day of Independence, I describe what is independence and how independence is to be taken care of. Teacher itself is a very strong word because it describes all the qualities of a teacher. And today let me take this opportunity when I talk of a teacher, who exactly is a teacher, because every alphabet of that word describes us. First, T stands for talented. All of you are talented and you nurture talent among the students. So since you are talented and you have decided to nurture the talent of future of our nation, you need to increase that talent and act like a mature talent who can develop the budding talent in days to come. So teachers possess the talent to inspire and ignite curiosity in young minds. They bring lessons to life, making the most complex topics engaging and enjoyable. I remember those teachers who made tough subjects easy for us. And when we studied those subjects, without the teacher it was not possible, but that teacher made it possible and therefore we were able to learn. That's the value of a teacher in our life. E for educated, we are in the business of education. We are in the profession of education. I have corrected the word, not business but profession of education. And teachers are treasure trove of knowledge and we must prove worthy of it. Our students look at us because they expect knowledge from us and knowledge flows from higher level to lower level. Hence, as a teacher, you are the role model of the students. In fact, you are also role model for each one of us. Every time when we communicate, we learn from each other. And every time when we deliver the session in the class, our students learn from us. Sometimes they make us learn where they have more wisdom as compared to us. A is for adorable. You have to be adorable because your students take care of the warmth and care and patience that you show with them. So a good teacher is one who takes care of his students with warmth, love, care and mentor them, guide them what is correct for them. This is what they look for in all of us. We have to be charismatic. When you enter the class, I remember only those teachers who made a difference and who made a mark in my life. It was not their dressing sense, but it was the way they taught. It was the way they wrote on the blackboard and it was the way they communicated their knowledge to us that we were able to remember each and every session of theirs, the time when they were teaching us. I would like to speak out some names of my teachers and so you do also share the names of your great teachers. I remember S.R. Arora. He became the principal of Pulsaraj College. He was my teacher, taught us dynamics and statistics. He was a thin, lean person. When he was walking, it used to seem that he will fall someday. But when he was in the class, the type of energy he exhibited still flows in our blood. And when we are in the class, we always think of him. When I am in the class, I always think of him. That's the charisma he showed when he was in the class. As teachers, we must be helpful. A teacher is a guiding hand, always ready to assist. What I feel is, sometimes the student says, "Sir, when I come to you, I get the solutions." But this is not what is expected. What is expected is that you, being a teacher of the student, should be able to make that particular difference, that the student of the institution should say, "Here is the teacher who gave me the solution right away." I don't have to rush to the director to get the solution. but it is my class teacher, my subject teacher, my program coordinator who gave me the solution. And we are all with you. Among teachers, there may be levels of teachers, but the basic characteristic of the teacher is always the same. That is, through your wisdom, you make the difference in the life of the student, not just by teaching him, but guiding him throughout his course of life as long as he is associated with us, so that one day he comes back and say, I am here because of you. That's the difference we have to make. We have to be always encouraging. Every student has a unique journey. I remember those students who never used to study in the class. But one day when they sat with me or some of the teachers from whom they were studying, we found that they started making the difference in their life. I invited one of my students who is the vice president of Naukri.com here. He flunked in 2 subjects right in the very first semester, failed. And he said, sir, I will not like to continue with MBA. But then I said, you sit with me, study with me for 2 hours daily. And he was there from 3 to 5 in my office. And in the second semester, he was able to say, sir, now I am able to get what I am doing. And he cleared all his backlog. In the 3rd semester, by 4th semester, he was placed. On one call, he never says no. If he is in the state, he says, I am coming. This is what I could do. I am just sharing one example from my life. Every student who is in touch with me is only in touch with me because he says, you made a difference in my life. And they are my assets. All our students are our assets. And what is that asset working for? They are only spreading a good name of the teacher wherever they are going. That's why they are our asset. That's an intangible asset. Every teacher here should be able to make a difference in the life of the student, so that tomorrow he says, I am the student of Geeta Ratan International Business School. You were my teacher there. I am what you made me today. Wherever you meet in the course of your life. Are responsible. Teachers should always shoulder the responsibility in nurturing the future of nation. They are our future. We belong to this nation, and the legacy of this nation should continue. The legacy through you should continue through your students. So dear teachers, you embody each of these qualities and so much more. You are the pillars that build our society. Your dedication, hard work and belief in us are what makes the impossible possible. On this day, we not only express our gratitude but also reflect on the immense value you add to the lives of our students. You inspire to dream big, you persevere to be the better human beings. The impact you have is immeasurable, and you will carry your teachings with us throughout our lives. This is what our students should be telling us. Thank you so much. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day and a future bright career in this institution.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words. I would now like
आज का दिन मेरे लिए भी और उन सब बच्चों के लिए जिनके दिलों में टीचर्स की कोई वैल्यू है। क्यों मनाया जाता है ये दिन? कौन बच्चा बताएगा? आप दोनों बताएंगे? देख के नहीं? क्यों मनाया जाता है?
सर, जो ग्रेटफुल बातें हम कभी किसी और दिन नहीं बोल पाते, उसे एक दिन अपनी सारी टीचर्स को बोलते हैं।
ये ऑफ द सिलेबस जवाब है। तो इसमें आप कितने नंबर दोगे? आप कोई टीचर बताए ऑफ द सिलेबस जवाब दिया है, मैं इनको पूरे नंबर दूंगा। पूर्वजों से history says what is the importance of teachers. महाभारत देखी हमने, रामायण देखी हमने, राजा महाराजा बड़े बड़े सब गुरुओं के पास जो है अपने बच्चों को भेजते थे शिक्षा ग्रहण करने के लिए। तब करते थे बच्चे। राजसीय व्यवहार को छोड़ के जंगलों में जाना और शिक्षा प्रदान करना, और वही गुरु उन बच्चों को शिक्षा प्रदान करता था, वो था टीचर। आज हम सब कमर्शियलाइज हो गए, आप हो, हम हो, बच्चे हैं सब। टीचर अच्छे से बात करेगी, अटेंडेंस दे देगी तो फीडबैक अच्छा देंगे। टीचर जो है गुस्से में है, बच्चों को डांट देगी तो भाई इनका फीडबैक खराब कर दो। पर मेरे मायने में फीडबैक्स इस विषय से नहीं देने चाहिए। गुरु की वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा है, और वो जब हम कोर्स पढ़ रहे होते हैं, कोई भी शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे होते हैं, हमें समझ नहीं आता है। कोई भी चीज़ हमारे हाथ में है, हमें उसकी वैल्यू तब तक नहीं समझ में आती जब तक हम उससे दूर नहीं हो जाते। सेम केस हमारे टीचर्स का है। हमें वो टीचर्स तब याद आते हैं जब हम कुछ बन जाते हैं। तो हमें याद आता है, अरे वो मेहता सर थे ना मैथ्स वाले, वो यार बड़े बढ़िया थे, हमने उनको चौक मारा था पीछे से। शरारती थे हम, पर वैल्यू आज भी हम उनको याद कर रहे हैं। मेहता सर शरारती नहीं थे। मेहता सर ने आपको मैथ्स की शिक्षा दी, अकाउंट्स की शिक्षा दी। वैल्यू ऑफ गुरु इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। 5 नाम जो आपके दिमाग में आते हैं, जो आज या जो थे हिस्टोरिकल पीपल जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया, कोई 5 नाम बताएगा। डायरेक्टर साहब आप 2 नाम बताइए, कोई भी जो आपको लगता है कि ये सबसे बढ़िया इन्होंने काम किया। कितनी वैल्यू है इन शिक्षकों की, कितनी वैल्यू है, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। शिक्षक हमारे जिंदगी में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट व्यक्ति है। हमें उनका वैल्यू करना चाहिए। और सेम दूसरी तरफ से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की सर ने बात करी। When comes the power, there comes the authority, accountability and responsibility. So there's a very small difference in a good teacher and in a very good teacher. How we are differentiating between a good and a very good. सर हमने इनको कैसे बनाया वेरी गुड जो है, आपने कैसे नापा कि भाई ये जो है गुड हैं और ये वेरी गुड है? बैड तो कोई टीचर होता ही नहीं है, मेरी दृष्टि में तो नहीं है कोई भी बैड टीचर। सब मेहनत करते हैं, सब अपना योगदान देते हैं, पर वो वेरी गुड बनने के लिए थोड़ा परिश्रम ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है। और वही चीज़ इन सब बच्चों को भी करनी पड़ेगी। Teachers has given you the values. Now how you are going to take it in your life, that is most important. Now somebody says कि भाई ये अकाउंटेंसी के सर चैप्टर है, ये हमारे क्या काम आएंगे? सर ये मैथ्स का थीटा पाई ये सब हमारे क्या काम आएंगे? जो है मैं यहाँ पे पाई साइन देख रहा था, मुझे अपनी मैथ्स की क्लास याद आ गई। मैं बड़ा घबराता था इस पाई साइन से। क्या काम आता है? कुछ काम आता है हमारे पास मैथमेटिक्स? क्वांटिटेटिव टेक्निक्स कोई काम आता है? नहीं आता है। बट वी आर नॉट वन और द अदर वे, all these things are maturing our mind in such a way, हमें पता भी नहीं होता, बहुत सारी ऐसे विषय होते हैं हम डे टू डे लाइफ में उसे अपना लेते हैं। विद्वान का दिमाग विद्वान बना कैसे? विद्वान का दिमाग विद्वान बना कैसे? आंसर इज विद्या से। विद्या किसने दी? शिक्षकों ने। शिक्षकों की भूमिका बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है और हम सबका बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है इन नर्चरिंग दीज यंग स्टूडेंट्स। द रीजन इज वेरी सिंपल। जो आज इनके पास साधन है वो हमारे समय में वो साधन नहीं थे। इनके पास सारे साधन हैं, तो ये आप लोगों से ज्यादा जानते हैं। पर क्या वो ज्यादा जानना सही जानना है? इस विषय को टीचर्स ने इन बच्चों की मदद करनी है। हमें बच्चों को काउंसलिंग रूप में बहुत सारी चीज़ों को समझाना है, क्योंकि डांट से, गुस्से से ये बच्चे नहीं समझेंगे। इनको समझाने का सिर्फ एक ही तरीका है, इनकी भाषा में बात करनी, इनको चौक मारना। मेहता सर की जैसे मेहता सर को ये मारते थे, वैसे ही हमने भी इनको चौक मारना। भाई क्लास है, पढ़ लो, फेल हो जाओगे। और जो बच्चे फेल हो रहे हैं, जो बच्चे नहीं पढ़ते हैं, बहुत बच्चे हैं खेलकूद में आ गए हैं और स्टार्टअप्स में आ गए हैं, उनका दिमाग बहुत अदर विषय में चलता है, तो हमें उनको डिफरेंट तरीके से पढ़ाई शिक्षा देनी है। तो वो जो कुछ बच्चे हैं, जो बच्चे और विषय में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, पर पढ़ाई के विषय की जब बात आती है तो वो 15 मिनट पहले जो है किताब लेते हैं और उनको पढ़ना शुरू कर देते हैं कि भैया कल जो है, नहीं अभी 1 घंटे में जो है एग्ज़ाम होना है, हाथ पे लिख लेते हैं, कहीं पर्चियाँ बना लेते हैं। जसजीत साहब ने तो बहुत किया है ये काम। जसजीत सर ने डॉक्टर की डिग्री कैसे हासिल की ये बताओ। ये एक विषय है, इन्होंने मुझे बताया था। बोले सर पर्चियाँ बना ली मैंने वाइवा में जो है अपनी। बोला काम आई? बोले काम नहीं आई सर। इस पर रिसर्च होनी चाहिए है ना। तो जतिन सर और जसजीत सर, इन दोनों की रिसर्च पे रिसर्च होनी चाहिए। सो बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोग सब यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए। The matter is we really need to take। मैं उस विषय में नहीं जाना चाहता, मैं जाने वाला था पर मैं उस विषय में नहीं जाऊंगा। बट हमारे को इन बच्चों को ये बताना है क्या सही है और क्या गलत है। देखने के नज़रिए जो है, देखने के मायने वो हमें बदलने पड़ेंगे। हम वेस्टर्न सोसाइटी नहीं हैं। हम जो हिंदुत्व है या जो हमारा इंडियन कल्चर है, हमें उसको बढ़ावा देना है। हमें वेस्टर्न कल्चर की तरफ नहीं जाना है और यही शिक्षा जो है हमें इन बच्चों को देनी है। और इसी के साथ जो है मैं आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं और मैं पूर्णतः रूप से ये एक्सपेक्ट करता हूं कि आप लोग इन बच्चों का थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ध्यान रखेंगे, स्पेशली उन बच्चों का जो और विषय में बहुत अच्छे हैं पर पढ़ाई के विषय में थोड़े कमज़ोर हैं। उन बच्चों के ऊपर आप ज़्यादा ध्यान दीजिए, ये बच्चे बहुत एक्सेल करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच एंड विश यू वेरी हैप्पी।
Yes, it's Teachers Day. The day we get to celebrate all of you who fill our lives with knowledge and a whole lot of assignments. और एक चीज जो आप हमेशा याद दिलाते हैं, attendance. But in all seriousness, you are the reason हमारा सफर यहाँ इतना स्पेशल रहा है।
आपने Him and Dean are biggest supporters in our life.
ये सबसे बकैटिस के लिए है। We remember all the times you joined us on the dance floor during meetings. और वो आफ्टर लेक्चर जब आप हमारा हर सवाल का जवाब देने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते थे। हमने आपको नहीं देखा कभी थकते हुए। It was like a superpower.
Let's not forget about the life lessons you have given us. It was always more valuable than any lecture.
आपके बिना हमारे events में वो excitement नहीं होगा। You are the ones who made it memorable.
अर्ज किया है, हमने आपसे सीखा है जिंदगी का हर पाठ। हमने आपसे सीखा है जिंदगी का हर पाठ। आपकी वजह से मिला है हमको ये नया सम्मान।
आपने हमारे डाउट हमेशा क्लियर करे, चाहे वक्त कुछ भी हो।
You have been our guiding stars, helping us navigate through twists and turns.
आपने सिर्फ हमें पढ़ाया नहीं, बल्कि हमारे साथ हर कदम पे चले।
And for that, from bottom of our hearts, thank you. And don't forget those friendly reminders about assignments we do. लेकिन जो ये दोस्ती और ये मस्ती हमने आपके साथ टेस्ट प्रेजेंटेशन में बनाई थी वो हमेशा याद रहेगी। From dance to that dance practices to perfecting our event plan, आपका समझ हमेशा कहा था आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो बस ट्राई करो। तो वैसे ही हमने किया, चाहे वो डांस या फिर प्रेजेंटेशन।
But you always think, आप सब देखते हैं।
You taught us not just the values of hard work, but also how to be it. आपके बिना वो चाय के डिस्कशंस अधूरे होते हैं।
और वो लास्ट चैप्टर, कभी भी लास्ट में होती है। We always manage to squeeze in one more.
All our dear teachers, we want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. You are more than just our educators. आप हमारे इंस्पिरेशन और हमेशा रहने वाले सपोर्ट सिस्टम भी हो। We know we couldn't be who we really are today without your endless dedication and care. हर एक असाइनमेंट के पीछे, हर एक टेस्ट के पीछे आपका सिर्फ एक ही मकसद है, हमारी ग्रोथ।
हम समझते हैं आपका वो प्यार, वो गाइडेंस जो हर दिन हमें बेहतर बनाते हैं।
Happy Teachers Day to the ones who are just more than teachers, they are family.
You all are the heart and soul of kids, making every day more brighter and even a lot more meaningful.
आपकी मेहनत और डेडिकेशन के लिए
Cheers to the teachers who make life lessons fun and unforgettable.
आप सबको हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। लेट्स कंटिन्यू मेकिंग मेमोरीज टुगेदर।
और आपके बिना इसका मजाक बिल्कुल अधूरा होता है।
We hope to keep making you feel proud, just like you make us proud every day. तो फिर ये और बात, thank you for everything.
You have shaped us, inspired us, and guided us in every step of your way.
And for that, हम सब मिलकर कहते हैं thank you. To you, our wonderful teachers, happy Teachers Day from all of us.
मेरे लिए तू बरकत का तावीज़ मुझ में कभी कुछ पे हक मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया। हर हुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया।
Thank you teachers for always being there for us. This song is specially dedicated to all the teachers present here.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबदाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरी बना मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो गया मैं काबिल। तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ, मुश्किल से ही आसा हुई मंजिल। क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल। क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल। मान जाना मेरा ढूंढते तेरी हंसी मिल गई खुशी। राह हूँ मैं तेरी रूह है तू मेरी ढूंढते तेरे निशान मिल गई खुशी। तू जो मिला तो हो गया मैं काबिल। तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ, मुश्किल से ही आसा हुई मंजिल। क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल। क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल। Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Featuring in this video and for those who have helped in making this video. And a big round of applause for Raag for a beautiful surprise.
Moving on, it's time to recognize our exceptional educators with a small token of appreciation for their immense dedication. Our exceptional educators with a small token of appreciation for the immense dedication and effort they put into shaping our futures. We request Vice Chairman Sir, Dean Ma'am and Director Sir to please present the Best Teacher Award for Center for Management Studies and Center for Legal Studies along with the Best Research and Publication Award.
कुंडलियां बन रही है। अच्छा, इतने सर थोड़ा सा व्यस्त है, हम आप लोगों से बातें करते हैं। कोई बच्चा मुझे बताए गुरु का मतलब क्या होता है?
गुरु
कोई बच्चा? अरे पढ़ते हो, थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगा के कुछ भी बताओ। जो सबसे पीछे जो बिटिया है, एक जो अभी बात कर रही थी, यस यू, यस यस यस, जो अभी इधर मुड़ के देख रही है, ना 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 ना, ये सबसे पीछे पिंक टी शर्ट के पीछे वाला, द बॉय इन द, यस आपके पीछे ये, हाँ ये, खड़े हो जाओ तुम, यस अब आगे आ जाओ तुम। आओ आओ जल्दी आ जाओ, क्लास हो रही है अभी, टीचर्स, बच्चों को बुलाया जाएगा टीचर्स की क्लास लेने के लिए। बताओ सब, सवाल ही नहीं याद है, बताओ।
टीचर्स को आप मतलब गुरु किसको बोलते हैं? गुरु
याद है?
सर गुरु वो होते हैं जिन जो हमें सब कुछ सिखाते हैं और हमें मॉरल वैल्यूज सिखाते हैं, हमें बचपन से सब कुछ सिखाते हैं। लाइक ऐसे नहीं मतलब मेरी मम्मी भी टीचर है।
Let's have a big round of applause. गुरु वो होता है जो रूह को बदल दे, जो रूह को बदल दे वो गुरु है। तो हम सबको वही बनना है, the person who can change the spirit of any individual is a guru. इसलिए पीछे रूह लगता है, गुरु। Thank you so much. So now we are coming to the most awaited moment here. Many of the teachers do a lot of hard works for round the clock for all of you. So we have a system of a 360 appraisal wherein the faculty members are being judged on various criterias, that is research, teaching, feedbacks, placements, everything. Every faculty member work hard. We cannot say that this person is the only one who has done the best of the efforts. So now, जो मैंने अभी पहले बोला था, good and very. That is where is the difference. So very good तक जाने के लिए जो खड्डा हम खोद रहे थे, डायमंड को निकालने के लिए, कुछ लोग वापस चले गए, कुछ लोगों ने थोड़ा और परिश्रम किया और हीरा अपने कब्जे में कर लिया, तो वो वेरी गुड है। So CMS runner up after I think so 16 days efforts by the committee members who were absolutely new, who didn't know anyone in the system, were being placed to scrutinize the forms. Then few more efforts were being put up and the faculty members were asked to deposit many of the documents. Then again, we sat together, director, me and the committee members, for the last 3 days, and we assessed many of the more documents again. So 3-4 times we did this activity, and it's a totally unbiased activity. And the name which has come out, the runner-up for the CMS is, can we have a huge round of applause for Dr. Chetna Mahar. So she's been graded as A with a score of 961 out of 1200. She's been awarded with a cash prize of 5,000 rupees as per the policy. The winner for Center for Management Studies for the academic year 23-24 is Dr. Deepti Jain. Are you surprised?
Absolutely.
She's been awarded grade A with an exceptional score of 986 out of 1200. And she's been receiving a cash prize of 20,000 rupees plus a memento and an appreciation letter from our side. God bless you. Understand that every faculty is important to us, and all of those who have not been made up to that category, we really want you to work for that one. There should be a fight for this award. There should be a real fight. And trust me, many of the members are putting a lot of hard efforts. A lot of faculty members have shown a really good improvement from what last year they were and what they have presented this year. And there is a good improvement which is being seen, and you will be getting your scores by next week, we'll be sure. And all the faculty members are being rated in different gradings, and those who have been into certain grading which needs a lot of improvement, that will be feedback will also be given to them. So now we come up to the next level, that is Center for Legal Studies, wherein a lot of faculty members were being rated, and the runner-up category for Center for Legal Studies goes to Ms. Muskan Grover. She's been rated as, she's been awarded grade B plus and a good score that is 939 out of 1200. She's been awarded with cash prize of 5,000. So please. So now the winner for Center for Legal Studies She's been awarded grade A with a score of 969 out of 1200. And can we have a huge round of applause for Dr. Neelam Singh. Is it a surprise for you?
Yes, sir.
You should not be. They will say we are biased. Thank you. She's been awarded with a cash prize of 20,000 rupees and appreciation certificate and a memento. And yes, one more thing. The faculties who's been graded A, they've been getting an additional benefits in the leave policies, which we have already circulated to you guys. Additional six vacation leaves and a flexible Saturday every month over and above second Saturday. So you can choose your Saturday, whichever Saturday you want in a month. That is and you can tell it to HR that this is the Saturday you will be taking off. So this is the benefit for all the faculties who will be rated under A and A+ grade. And this is from this year we have introduced it, and we are very hopeful that faculty members will be working towards the betterment of the institution, students and themselves. So thank you so much all of you, and it was alright. So we have research benefits also, research, many of them have done a lot of research work today, this time. So sir will announce the name.
I take this opportunity and pleasure of inviting Professor Urvesh Chaudhary to collect her award. She has been given rupees 9,800 cash award. Congratulations and well done.
She was not well yesterday, so I asked her, my colleague, ma'am, whether you will be coming tomorrow. But he said, whatever it is, I will be coming tomorrow.
Next is Professor Ekta Rastogi.
Exactly as per the policy which was.
He is being presented with rupees 1,500 as cash award. Next is Professor Dr. Kanika Balasubramaniam. He has been presented rupees 1,200 as cash award. Congratulations. Next is Dr. Manisha Kaushal Arora, presented with rupees 10,000 of cash award. Congratulations, Manisha.
इनको बोलता था तुम रिसर्च नहीं करते, अब मुझे पता था ये तो रिसर्च करते हैं.
Dr. Anjali Gupta, presented with rupees 2,400. Well done. Dr. Chetna Mohar once again. Who is presented with cash award of rupees 5,000. Dr. Deepti Jain, presented with a cash award of rupees 5,500. Congratulations. Dr. Manju Pathania Biswas, presented with a cash award of rupees 3,000. Dr. Neelam Singh, presented with a cash award of 5,800. Dr. Pooja Sharma, presented with a cash award of 7,000. Dr. Swati Srivastav, presented with a cash award of rupees 1,800. Congratulations. Miss Megha Juneja, presented with a cash award of rupees 1,800. Ms. Bhavna Sharma, is she there? She has been presented with a cash award of 3,900. Do convey our regards and congratulations to her. Dr. Kalpana Devi, presented with a cash award of rupees 7,200. Congratulations.
अब हमारी फैकल्टीज लिफाफा खोल रही है तो उसमें सिर्फ पत्र निकल रहा है, पैसे नहीं निकल रहे। तो पैसे कहाँ है? तो पैसे जो है NEFT के थ्रू आपके अकाउंट्स में आएगा, आ चुका होगा वैसे जो है।
Dr. Namita Fagadia, presented with a cash award of 3,000. She looks very surprised.
She was drunk yesterday a lot. That's why she's surprised.
Mr. Chetan Prakash, awarded with a cash prize of rupees 1,800.
Ms. Muskan Grover, she's been awarded with a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. बच्चे ये सोच रहे होंगे ये क्या है, right? So this is what your faculty members are doing, a lot of research work and presenting their papers in reputed journals. और ये journals जो research faculty करती हैं ये आगे काम आते हैं आप लोगों के और बहुत लोगों के काम आते हैं, ये जो research होती है। तो ये अवार्ड्स उसके लिए हैं, Scopus जो internationally acclaimed journals हैं, nationally acclaimed journals हैं, वहाँ पे जो है पेपर्स पब्लिश कराना आसान नहीं होता है, बहुत मुश्किल होता है। तो इन फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है इस काम को करने के लिए। सो प्लीज गिव देम अ वेरी ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। नेक्स्ट वी हैव मिस पारुल शर्मा। इज शी हियर? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव मिस साक्षी गुप्ता, awarded with a cash prize of 3,200 rupees. And last but not the least, Ms. Shipra Bhutani Uppal with a cash prize of 6,900 rupees.
Well done.
So all the faculty, a big congratulations and thank you all of you for working so hard for the institution. आज मैंने आपको एक सवेरे हिंदी में टाइप करके मैसेज भेजा था, वो मेरे दिल की आवाज़ थी और हम आप पे बहुत विश्वास करते हैं और हम आपका बहुत आदर और सम्मान करते हैं। तो सभी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग।
We awarded few this time. We would like to award many more next time. The size of the faculty members have increased as compared to the last year, and I think with the year passing by, next time when we are celebrating Teachers' Day, all of us should be getting something for the achievements and for the contribution which we are making to the institution. So congratulations to all of those who have got it. And congratulations in advance to all of those who could have got it and who will get it next time. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the teachers who have received the award today. Your dedication and hard work have truly made a difference in our lives.
Moving on, we have a special segment in today's program, the badging ceremony for our student council members. These positions were left vacant during the investiture ceremony, and today we are proud to officially badge the students who will be taking on.
Has been appointed as the president of Courtroom, the Law Society.
Pranav is an exception, and what we found in him was, in spite of nominations being called again and again, and Pranav not meeting few of the parameters, he showed interest in becoming the president of the Moot Court Society, of the courtroom. If there is a zeal to do something, age doesn't matter, designation doesn't matter. And Pranav is one fine example for all of us, that if you have interest and if you have zeal to do something and achieve something, you can do it. So I congratulate Pranav for showing interest, and I believe that you will be able to bring laurels to the institution by heading this particular club. Well done.
congratulations Pranav. Next up, we have Muskan Chadda from BBA LLB 5A who will take on the role of mediation in charge.
And for the MN in charge position, we have Jagriti Agarwal from BBA LLB 3A.
May we have a huge round of applause for all the new appointees of Courtroom, the Law Society.
For Lakshay, the sports club, we would like to call upon Nitin Kumar from BBA M5C, who has been appointed as the president of Lakshay.
Nitin is one more exception. Though he was not eligible, but he showed interest. We got his name recommended. We got the recommendations from the faculty members that he should become the president of the club because he has won many prizes for the sports club and he has promised that he will bring much more laurels in days to come. So we congratulate you for this position and we believe that you will prove worthy of it. Thank you.
Huge congratulations Nitin. Next up we have Vyan Tiria from BBA M5C who will be taking over as the badminton in charge.
For Frames Photography Club, we would like to call upon Ayush Sharma from BBA E5A who received his appointment as Vice President of Frames Club.
Let's see.
May we please have a huge round of applause for Ayush. Next up, we have Shivangi Sharma from BBA M5B who has been appointed as the music composer for Rag.
Last but certainly not least, let's welcome the new leader for Mindbenders, the Management Club, Atul Gupta from MBA M3A, has been appointed as a general management in charge.
Wind the men's minds, and they used to come down. No, it's not opening up, just wind up. We should do the sounds. If there is a malfunction, we can always function, right?
What an impressive group of leaders. Congratulations to all the appointees. You all are now the torch bearers of your respective clubs and societies. May we please have a group photo together of all the new appointees?
इधर आजा
Get ready to participate, laugh and enjoy as we dive into these fun-filled activities. Let's see who among us is not only a great teacher but also a great sport.
We now hand over the stage to Shruti for conducting the games with you. So, the first step is guess that tune. Guess the company based on the advertisement tune played. A short clip of advertisement will be played. If you recognize the clip, raise your hand immediately. The first teacher to raise their hand will be called on to guess the advertisement. If the guess is correct, they win a reward. If the guess is incorrect, another teacher can raise their hand to try. So, we have the first clip.
सूरजमुखी झट से कुल्फी ले आई, एक एक करके सबको थमाई। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
ले लीजिए।
बट इस बार सूरज की कुल्फी ना पिघल पाई और ये छुप के चिल्लाए।
मम्मा, भैया ये बनाए।
रिश्ता पक्का हो गया, सूरज वाकई चंगा हो गया। इस तरह
पानी डाल।
अब इसके सामने आ गया तो तू इसको आगे कर दो ना।
Ma'am, that's incorrect. Yes, next. That's incorrect.
Let's see the video first, then everyone can answer.
सूरजमुखी झट से कुल्फी ले आई, एक एक करके सबको थमाई। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
ले लीजिए।
बट इस बार सूरज की कुल्फी ना पिघल पाई और ये देख छुप के चिल्लाए।
मम्मा, भैया ठीक हो गए।
रिश्ता पक्का हो गया, सूरज वाकई चंगा हो गया। इस तरह हमारी ठंडी गरम स्टोरी का हैप्पी एंड हो।
Any guesses? No one. Air conditioner, but what's the name of the company?
Voltas.
No. Kindly raise your hands, everyone. LG. No, ma'am, that's incorrect.
Samsung.
No, sir.
Calculator.
No.
Videocon.
Blue Star.
No. No. Yeah, that's the correct answer. It's Hitachi. I request again, those who know the answers, kindly raise your hand. Moving ahead.
Next. Bunde, idli, vade.
It's green black.
Yes, that's correct.
Langur. Charmangur.
No, sir, that's incorrect. Mr. Deepak Kumar. And the last one is Miss Mahima ma'am.
अरे इतने सारे प्लेन क्रैश हो जाएंगे। दीपक सर इज नॉट देयर तो टेक वन मोर।
Dr. Pooja Sharma ma'am. Dr. Jatin Lamba sir. I request all the teachers to kindly write down their names on the paper plate which they are making.
मेरे लिए बनाना भाई। Please join us. Happy Teachers Day. All the lovely teachers. The pie is with me. Okay, I'll start with.
She
really fast tonight.